What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the PowerPoint startup error and the problem when it's not responding on your PC. First, try running PowerPoint as an administrator. Search for PowerPoint in your Start menu search, right-click on the best match and select Run as Administrator. A prompt will appear asking for permission. Click Yes. This can sometimes resolve permission-related issues and allow PowerPoint to open properly. If this works, you're all set. If not, then check for Windows updates. Many issues with Microsoft Office applications are fixed by simply updating Windows. Search for Windows Update in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the Windows Update settings, click Check for updates and install any available updates. Once the updates are installed, restart your PC and check if PowerPoint is working. If PowerPoint is still not responding, perform a repair on the program. In your Start menu, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Programs and Features window, where you can manage installed applications. Find Microsoft PowerPoint in the list, or if you have Office 365, select that. Right-click on it and choose Change. In the Repair options, select Quick Repair and then Repair to begin the process. If this doesn't work, then repeat the same process, but this time select the Online Repair option instead. This process might take multiple minutes, so be patient. Once completed, restart your PC and check if PowerPoint is functioning properly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.